Hey everybody, how you doing today? Welcome to Kent's Food Review. Happy New Year's to all my friends and followers up on here. We're down at the Palms Resort and Spa down in Miami. Beautiful spot, nice hotel, a pool, and beachfront access over here. I'm starving before I jump in the pool and go hit the beach. So we're gonna get some of these pork nachos with some jalapenos, radishes. Apparently they're really big on radishes down here on tacos. Got some cabbage coleslaw mix, it looks like, on top of the pork with some sweet potato fries. Sweet potato fries is still warm, so that's always a positive thing right off the bat. Nice and lightly salted. I'm gonna throw some pepper on them. Definitely gonna enjoy this meal. I'm starving. This is what breakfast looks like in 2022, I guess. Call it brunch. Got visitors over here too. We got it. Maybe not. So we go for our first meal of 2022. There's some pork nachos. We'll start the year off right on this taco kick that I've been on the past 2 days. All the flavors of the corn tortilla, the pork, and the coleslaw they got on this definitely pulls everything together. The pork and the coleslaw are very juicy. Pulled pork with that barbecue sauce they got on it. It's definitely sweet. It's got a molasses barbecue with a key lime vinaigrette. Pretty good. This place is pretty good. It's living up to the expectations of a 4.7 hotel and resort. Definitely a good, nice light lunch before you go hit the water and hang out on the beach. Absolutely delicious. I'll give it a good rating of 8.1. And that's our review. Till next time, peace. So it's been a real tough day at the Palms, you know, switching between the beach, the pool, the beach, the shower, the bathroom, the bar, back to the beach, back to the pool. Needed a refreshing flatbread, pepperoni flatbread pizza. It is absolutely delicious with nice saucy sauce, some cheese, oregano, and pepperoni. Really has a nice crispy crust, good flavor. Full body smokiness. I gotta go back to the beach. I'm drying up and getting hot. Actually, it's really good flatbread. Pretty decent. 8.4. That's our review.